how to fix Call of Duty network error on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your Call of Duty network error on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply follow this video. So the first solution is to reset your cellular statistics. First up, head to your settings. After that, you will have your cellular or your mobile. Just tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and tap on reset statistics. And tap in again. You will get reset statistics. You need to tap it again. Just to be sure, check if your issue has vanished. If not, then there are more tricks. The second solution is to try switching your network connection. Simply swipe down from the right side and on your mobile data, give Wi-Fi a shot. Or if you're using your Wi-Fi, then you can go with your mobile data. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the third update is you need to just go with your settings or just open up your Play Store, and under your Play Store you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Call of Duty. And once you find Call of Duty, if you have any updates under your Call of Duty, you just need simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem may be fixed. You can go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.